Hi, my name is Joe Coveney, Vice President and co-head of our EMEA team here at OTC Markets Group. Today we're welcomed in the OTC Market Center in New York City by Jean-Michel Bonamy, Deputy CFO and Head of Investor Relations at Publicis Groupe. Welcome.
Bonjour, Joe.
So, Publicis Groupe recently raised its revenue forecast, citing strong client demand for personalized advertising. Can you talk about the specific strategies that enabled this growth?
In October, when we reported our Q3 revenue, that's right that we raised the floor of our guidance from plus 5% to plus 5.5%. What is important to note is that during the summer, between the last time we spoke in July and October, actually the macro got worse, which makes this upgrade even more remarkable. The upgrade is driven by two things. Number one, the ability for us to gain market share in personalization at scale, and second, in our new business performance. This is driven by our unique go-to-market, combining data and media, and our platform organization. As a result, not only are we going to accelerate versus our 4-year CAGR of 4.7%, but we will also add another year of industry outperformance.
The acquisition of Influential marks a significant expansion into influencer marketing. How does this align with Publicis Groupe's broader strategy, and what synergies do you anticipate between Influential and your existing data sets?
Influence marketing is a huge opportunity. We talk about the $30 billion market, which is expected to more than double in size over the next 3 years, exceeding the size of linear television, which is today roughly $59 billion. With Influential, we're actually adding 4 million creators to our capabilities, 90% of them having more than 1 million followers, bringing us with more than 100 billion data points. Thanks to influence marketing, brands can find and activate creators that resonate the most with shoppers and accelerate their growth. It is very important because it will allow brands to take back control of their customer relationship and, more importantly, link investment to business outcome. Aggregating influence marketing with the rest of our media capabilities and our data capabilities driven by Epsilon will obviously allow us to continue to keep the lead when it comes to delivering personalization at scale.
Wonderful, wonderful. Great to hear. And talking about that growth journey and sort of recent changes, there was some recent governance changes that went on at the company and the appointment of Arthur Sadoun as chairman and CEO. How does Publicis Groupe, plan to navigate the evolving advertising landscape? And, to that end, what are your key priorities and challenges for maintaining your market-leading position?
Actually, the change in governance that we have put in place is really aiming not changing anything. What is critical is to sustain the winning tandem that we have put in place around Arthur Sadoun and Maurice Levy. The priorities actually haven't changed, and it means for us keeping clients and talents at the core of everything we do. What does it mean? Continue to gain market share thanks to our unique offering around connected media, enriched by intelligent content and powered by technology, which means that after having outperformed the industry for the last 4 years until 2024, we aim to outperform the industry again in 2025. The other element of this strategy is obviously to continue with our bolt-on M&A strategy, aiming at strengthening our capabilities in fast-growing segments such as data, new media, and technology. That will allow us not only to strengthen our capabilities, but obviously to sustain, if not accelerate, our leadership in the industry.
Wonderful. Great to hear. And, lastly, we're in New York City today at the OTC Market Center. How does trading on the OTCQX market complement Publicis Groupe's strategy of expanding its U.S. investor access?
It is important for us to increase our visibility with U.S. investors. Publicis makes more than 60% of its revenue in the U.S., and our largest competitors are U.S.-listed companies. OTCQX is a very attractive platform for us to give investors another tool to invest in the companies that has actually already delivered the highest total shareholder return over the last 4 years, more than 180%, which is more than twice as much as a second best competitor. So we're obviously happy to have investors be part of this journey with us in the future.
Well, thank you again, Jean-Michel. It's great to have you here today. For those interested in learning more, Publicis is traded on our OTCQX market under ticker symbols PUBGY and PGPEF. Thank you.